way of saying goodbye to someone in Irish is go nui dia huit.
I'll jaib cyn sialai. Sy'n edrych i ti fad o'r yn y syr sy'n lan ar yng Nghymru jaib. Ach, Nina some kitam hosadara slan. That's what we used to say here on the Lanar and the Jabe. Instead of slan, but slan, I don't know when slan or slangaford came into vogue, as they say. I'm not sure what time, maybe if nisam tisicha blenach and the Haskell blenach and Hyde blenach and maybe I'm not just about 30 or 40 years ago, maybe, when slan became more widespread. But no, slan wasn't that really much used as to say goodbye, really. Not as much. No, Jabe would have been far more common. I don't know when that changed, but it's a similar. Sinné mar no Jabe go fóil.